Today I'm going to show you how I clean chain on it. Everybody does it a bit differently, people use different stuff. I use kerosene because it's a little bit oily, so it doesn't damage the O-rings and does a great job with cleaning. So first I just put kerosene all around it, and you can see it straight away that it just dissolves all the nastiness around it, all the old grease lube that you are using for it. So let me go through that and I'll show you what I do next. Now when the chain is nice and soaked, get a rag and just wipe it, because now all the loose stuff, see how it's all nicely coming off and stays on the rag. That looks pretty clean already, but now I go on the inside part of the chain too. And now I'll do another round. But now I'm going to use this brush. It's a bit harder, but again I'm going to soak it in kerosene in here and go again. Okay, let me do that and I'll be right back. Now after a round of the brush, you're gonna go with the rag again. Now we can grab a bit cleaner one. Now same thing, we can go inside. Just here, be very careful. I've seen this horrifying video once when a guy put his finger in there and someone else was spinning the wheel, and yeah, he lost 2 fingers. So keep a safe distance from the sprockets. Hold it somewhere closer here if you're doing it. Good time to clean the wheel too at the same time, because kerosene is great for that too. See how nice and shiny without any effort it gets. So that's the good time to do that too while you're here. And yeah, last thing, I used well right now, which is great in terms of not splashing all around. It sticks to the chain very nicely, so you don't get the bike too dirty all around. The only thing is that, yeah, it's a white one, so you can see where you sprayed, so that's quite cool too. So you don't go around like 5 times. Yeah, that's already white, so I see that already done that. The only thing, if you put too much of it, it kind of becomes quite sticky, which kind of is supposed to be doing, but yeah, it seems like it's like gluing it a bit. But yeah, I'm just gonna go through that can and then maybe try find something else. So yeah, let me just clean the other side of the wheel and all around this. All the nastiness you can clean with kerosene, so it's a good moment to do that. But yeah, that's how I do it.